Hi, it's Nika. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I just wanted to show you how I use multiple planners at once. I've done a video in the past about how I use multiple planners, but I wasn't using them like all at the same time. I'm using these, I guess, simultaneously. So I'm just going to show you the first one. And these are all, well, this one is like an actual Happy Planner that I bought from the store, and this little one and that one is just a DIY. This is just some cut up paper, but this is how I store like my previous weeks. This is my main planner, so once I'm finished with them, I store them in here because I only keep a month. I only keep a month's worth. And I need to find the other ring. But I only keep a month's worth with me. So once the month is over, I pull them out and I store them in here. And this is my main planner, which if you're some of you have seen, I've done a flip through. Oh, I'm getting tongue tied. I've done a flip through of this one. And this is like my latest one. This is kind of like a DIY planner. And I didn't want to go and buy the classic Happy Planner size. I don't know, I wanted to try it out. So I made like some DIY inserts, and as you can see, I have not touched them. And the idea was to use these for work. I don't know, but the thought of doing two different planner spreads, I don't know, it hasn't worked out yet. But I'm going to show you how I've been using them. So I have those blank inserts. And then the rest is just kind of like a notebook. It's just grid paper that I printed. But what I have been doing is combining this with the mini planner sheets. So basically, once I do, and this is the one for this week. Like this, once I do my layout in the mini Happy Planner, I put my insert for that week. I lay it on top of here. And that way I have my personal stuff on the little one. And then I can have work stuff. And also if I need to make extra notes. And as you can see, it just, most of the time it gets filled with sticky notes. And basically, because it's not a lot of room to write on here. So basically, the way I do it, I just use this as kind of like time blocking. It just shows me what I'm supposed to be doing during that block of time. Now, if there are any notes to go with that task, like the notes will go here. Like if I need to brainstorm something, I'll put all the notes here. And let me show you, because this one is still like a current week in progress. Like this is how it looks some weeks. I think I did a process video for the little insert that week. And in the back, I have work notes. I can do kind of brainstorming. And if I have a lot going on that week. Okay, let me just explain. I didn't exactly have a lot going on this week, but my layout came out so pretty this week. I didn't want to write on it. I wanted to stick to the orange pen. Like, I don't know, I just wanted to keep it pretty. So I think I put my menu and a few tasks that I had to do this week. But most of everything I had to do that week, like there's a million sticky notes in here. And I know I'm not the only person who does this. Like when your planner is just really pretty, you just, I don't want to mess it up. And I like the idea that I can have like room to brainstorm. And it's just some stickers I had clipped in there like to use during the week. But that was just a very quick video to show you like how I'm doing my weeks. And once this is finished, like I haven't decided if I'm going to keep all this together. Like so far, the weeks that I've done this, I haven't pulled them out. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this all together or put them in my little storage week. But that was just a little quick tip on how to use 2 planners at once, or how to use 2 different sizes. Like if some of you are just torn between the mini Happy Planner and the classic size, this is how you can get the best of both worlds and use both layouts at once. And next week I may try and do a layout for this one, since I didn't do a plan with me for last week. So I may try a layout on this one, I don't know, just to test it out. And if I like it, I may go get the Happy Planner. And that was it. That was just a quick video on how I use 3 different planners all at once. Hope you enjoyed this quick little hack, and I will see you guys in my next video.